Alright guys, today we're here at the Fiery Furnace. It's kind of like a hike, but, well, it is a hike, but you can go wherever you want, pretty much, and climb whatever you want. Except for on arches, you can't climb on arches. But yeah, this could be kind of cool, because we can go wherever, pretty much. And I'm recording on a phone right now, because my camera has dust all over it. But I'll probably get that fixed in the next video. So yeah. Check it out, there's a bunch of rain clouds over there. Hopefully we don't get rained on, but it looks like we're gonna miss the main cloud. But it is raining. So I have to go up now.
Sprinkling.
Yeah, sprinkling. Oh yeah, now it's going. Barely. Alright, the rain stopped. For now, I guess. It's probably gonna stop. It's probably gonna start again. But we're at this arch now. It's kind of a tiny little thing. It's a big canyon though. Yo, where are you going?
Bruh.
Whoa.
I want to go that way. Yeah, I'm going
Oh. Loose.
Oh, I can fit right in there.
Alright, I'm gonna have to set down the camera for a few seconds. Bruh. Alright, we're back. Oh, I think this is also a dead end. Look at this. We could go up there or something. Not sure what's up there. Alright, we're almost up. Maybe I can get up here. This might be as far as I can get though. I'm gonna put down the camera. I accidentally keep on hitting the stop recording button. I'm trying to hit the pause button. But that's kind of cool. Maybe, I don't know if there's another way up there.
Ow.
I'm gonna go back on the arch though.
I'm going back on the arch. Ow. Yeah. You want to hit my back?
I'm not sure which way to go.
Ooh! Hiya! Take a picture.
Oh.
You have to get into. I know. Why you always have to get in this? Oh, you have to get back to it.
Dang, this place is cool. What?
Bruh.
Oh, we're right here at the dead end. Surprise Arch is what it's called. Alright, I somehow made it up here. Way up here. Let me try to stand up. It's gonna be kind of hard. It's pretty far down. I don't think I can go any farther than this though. It's basically just a vertical cliff. Yeah. Let me see if I can show you how far it is down. I don't know. Alright, time to go down. Oh, what the heck is that? Look at down there. Dang, that's a big arch.
Bruh.
Alright guys, we're done with the hike now, so we're going back. We're going back to the visitor center to get some souvenirs, and then we're gonna drive down to Bryce National Park, which is an hour and 45 minutes away. We're gonna check into another hotel there, and then I think we're gonna go to this place called Goblin Valley, and that should be kind of cool. So that's what we're gonna do. Well, right now we're gonna go to the visitor center and get some souvenirs. Alright guys, we're here at Goblin Valley right now. So this is kind of cool. Yeah, it just looks like a bunch of weird looking rocks. And I might want to go up there too, because that's kind of cool. Pretty high up. So that should be fun if I go down there. Alright. I'm on top of one of these big ones. I'm going to try to get up there, but that might not happen. Also, there's a bunch of green stone over there. Not sure what that is, but it looks pretty cool. I don't think you can see it on the camera very well. Maybe. But yeah, I'm pretty high up. It's a pretty big fall, but I might go all the way to the top. It's tough to see. Alright guys, I made it. Looks about 100 feet, maybe a little less. This is pretty awesome view. You can see all the goblins over there. Yeah. Pretty awesome. I'm gonna go down now. Alright guys, we're done with Goblin Valley now. So we're going back to our hotel. Resort? Yeah, it's a resort apparently. Not sure what that's supposed to mean, but we're going there. And I think that's about it for the day. Then we're going to Bryce National Park tomorrow, so that should be good. Oh. Alright, so yeah, we're going to the hotel. Alright guys, we're here at the resort right now. And there's actually cabins that you can stay in, which is cool. We're staying in one right here. There's also some fires. We might go down tonight to see those. And also, they don't have them open right now, but you can stay in covered wagons. That's pretty cool. But they don't open those till like next month. Anyways, let's take a tour of the cabin, front entrance, and there's a deck and a grill. You come in, they have like a media system, but it doesn't work. Like, nothing. But yeah, that's cool. And then it has a full kitchen, which is awesome. The upstairs area, there's not much up here. Like a bed and stuff. Alright. Table. Bunk beds. And a bath. Well, that's about it. We might go down to the fire today, but if not, then this will probably be the end of day number 4 at Utah. Tomorrow we're going to the Bryce National Park, so that should be fun. Not sure what they have there though. We'll have to find out. Alright, that's about it.